these improper air supply vents for the garage. They've been decommissioned, so that aspect is no longer a consideration. But that plenum, that run, terminates right here. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, it's open. And this goes to the second floor. That's a door to the second floor. That's the second floor HVAC system. So what this translates to is that that's the improper fire blocking, smoke, heat, and worse. You come through here, go up through the wall system, through the upstairs air conditioning system. So not only should this have been disconnected like it was, but all this should have been sealed off to prevent fire.